please.
Personality, you've had so many suitors. So ano meron si Sir Anton na siya nakakuha ng iyong matamis na oo at siya ang nakakuha ng iyong makulit forever?
Well, sa lahat ng nakilala ko through the years, siya lang yung faithful.
Happy people pass my way. Looking in the
Hindi lang yun. He's the only one.
Dali lang.
He's the only one na I felt na nilalagay na talaga ako on a pedestal.
Though I sent you away, oh Mandy, where you kiss me and stop me from shaking, and I need you today, oh Mandy.
Tayo na challenge.
Okay.
Sa tagal, naisip ko, dapat na talaga siya yung maiwan kasama ko.
Standing on the edge of time, walked away when love was mine. Caught up in a word, oh, I'll be crying. The tears out of my mind, and nothing is right.
You're also patient with me. And thank you for our children. Is kayo nakabuhay ko eh.
You kiss me and stop me from shaking, and I need you today, oh Mandy. Nothing